Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm with my sister, Kylie. And today we are going to be doing the themed slime challenge, I guess. I don't really know. So I have my brother over there and he was going to be saying like random things like the magical majestic hat. And then we're going to have to make a slime that we think we would name that thing. Get it? Alright, if you don't know, then you'll get it once we get into the video. But we can't do that because we need to get into the video. So let's just do that. Let's go. Okay, so Dylan, what is our first words?
Dance floor disco ball.
Dance party?
Yep, dance party.
Yeah. I think I can do this, guys. I think we're good. Alrighty, are you ready, Kylie? We're not gonna have a timer for this because I just don't feel like it. But yeah, let's just get into it. 3, 2, 1, go!
Okay. The glue is almost gone. Oh, I put way too much. Here, give me some. That's all you get. I don't need that much. Okay, so I know exactly what I'm doing, but I'm not going to tell you guys yet. You just have to wait. Okay.
Kylie literally copied all my stuff. Like, I'm not even joking. Okay, guys, so I think I'm ready to activate. So I'm going to activate mine now, and Kylie's still working on hers.
Yeah.
So I think mine is going pretty good so far. I mean, I think it looks like a disco ball floor thingy-mo-bob. I don't really know. Kylie keeps looking at my slime. Stop it. Okay, guys, so I'm basically done with my slime. I just got to get some stuff off the table and off the bowl. But yeah, this is my slime. It has a bunch of different color glitters. And then I put like a few fishbowl, not a lot, just to make it a little crunchy, you know. And then I put a lot of sequins and a lot. And I mean a lot of glitter. So yeah.
Yeah, I did too.
Dylan picked the perfect theme.
Okay, guys, so this is my slime. I think it's really sticky.
Okay, so hey guys, it's me, Sophia, and today we're gonna be making slime. So first we have this really pretty ugly slime, and I really hate it because Dylan made it. So yeah,
It's too sticky.
Kylie, this is not sticky at all. Alrighty guys, so we are both done with our slimes. I think it went pretty good. This looks like a disco party to me. So let's have Dylan come over here and judge our slime. So Dylan, 1 out of 10, what do you think my slime is for the name? Like, can you go ahead and poke it and stuff?
A 7.
Okay. Alright, so Dylan gave me a 7. Now what about Kylie? 1 out of 10, what do you think Kylie's slime is?
Let's see. It's funny.
I will give that a 6. If it would be a 7 if you put a little pinch more of rainbow glitter though.
So I won! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! I won! Beat that! Huh! Okay, so I think this was pretty successful. I won the first round, so now we're gonna get on to the second round. Okay, it was really fun! Okay, we are ready for the second round! And Dylan's thinking of a name because he can't think of one. So you're gonna think of one on the spot. Ready?
Yes.
What's a name, Dylan?
Ugly.
Okay, I think I'm pretty good at that. Let's just get into it. 3, 2, 1. Where's the glue? Alright, so I'm only going to put a little activator because I know this one is really has a lot of borax in it, so I think that should be good. Actually, I might need a little more.
Kylie, you can use the green glue. Mine looks pretty. Use the.
By the way, if you didn't hear Dylan, the theme was, or the name was ugly. So I think I'm succeeding on this so far.
Oh, ugly cookie color.
Okay, guys, so we are done with our slimes. Mine is brown, has green or red glitter in it, and it has a lot of activator and some string in it.
So here's mine. It's like really stretchy. Not, but it's super stretchy. Watch this. So like look how far this can stretch. Like, that's so cool. As like really overactivated. That's why it can stretch really far.
Okay, so let's get Dylan in here. Oh, Dylan, lay down your head. Okay, so Dylan is here now, and he is going to judge our slime. So he said ugly. I think mine is pretty ugly. Pretty ugly. So yeah, rate mine 1 to 10. Raisin. For ugly?
Yeah.
I thought this was a 10 for ugly. 8. How is it an 8? You just want her to win. How is this not an 8? So hopefully Kylie redeems herself. Excuse me, where? Hopefully Kylie redeems herself and wins the last round. Whoever wins this round wins the whole thing. So yeah. Okay guys, next round, Dylan. What's the name?
Dylan, unicorn.
Unicorn. Okay, yeah. So we have to make a unicorn slime. Are you ready, Kylie?
Yes, I am.
All right, let's do this.
But how? How's it gonna be?
That's your problem. All right, so I think I know what I'm gonna do for unicorn, and yeah, so no peeking. So this is my slime, guys. No, I'm kidding. So the theme was unicorn, or the name was unicorn. And I thought it would be amazing if I did a multicolored slime. So I'm going to mix it when Dylan comes over here. So let's magically appear Dylan. Ready? Appear! Ta-da! Okay, so these are my slimes. This is my unicorn slime. So I'm just going to mix them really quick. So I have blue, purple, and pink. So there's my slime. Wait, let's show the viewers real quick. That's my unicorn slime. 10. Oh yeah. Okay, so now Dylan has to rate Kylie's slime. 1 to 10.
I'm gonna give this a 10 too. I win.
It's a tie. Oh yeah. So we both won, I guess. Alright, I'm just doing a really quick slime smoothie. Kylie doesn't have to, but she wants to, so she can. I'm not mixing in this slime because it's kind of like really bad. So yeah.
String in this slime. Look. I can't.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And also subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure to hit the little notification bell to notify you